Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. I am from Helping Mind. Now we can zoom in and zoom out by triple tapping anywhere on the screen with one finger. To get the feature, we have to enable it. Now I will show you how to enable magnification gesture on Samsung Galaxy Android phone. Keep watching. At first I will go to my phone settings. I tap on settings and I will scroll down. Now I will tap on accessibility, then tap on vision. Here I will scroll down and we can see magnification gesture. I will tap on it and we can see the instructions. Zoom in and out by triple tapping anywhere on the screen with one finger. While zoomed in, you can pan, drag two or more fingers across the screen. Adjust the zoom level, pinch two or more fingers together or spread them apart. You can also temporarily magnify what is under your finger by triple tapping and holding. In this magnified state, you can drag your finger to explore different parts of the screen. While this function is on, the response time could be slowed down in phone, calculator and other apps. Note: triple tap or magnification works everywhere except the keyboard. Now I have to tap on toggle to enable magnification gesture. We can also disable it by tapping on toggle. Now I will tap on toggle to see the magnification gesture. Now it's enabled. Now I triple tap on the screen. We can see its zoom. We can also drag the screen by our finger. You can see the animated mobile. You can see. Now I will go to my screen and I will triple tap on the screen to see the magnification gesture. You can see my screen is zooming and we can also move zoom by dragging the screen by our finger. You can see. Thus we can use magnification gesture on our Samsung Galaxy Android phone. Hope this video will help you to enable magnification gesture on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.